Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How we doing? How we doing? I think my version of the web camera is plugged in, ready to go. Let's see. So I think I did get some decent sleep last night. So that's always a good thing, a positive thing for sure. I did get everything fixed yesterday. I think everything was dips, and then after that first trade, I don't think I got in trouble. I think I mentioned on stream, I'm gonna wait for something to come back to the middle, and that's pretty much where all these trades were. Just midpoint bounces. Anyways, I think I ended up like plus $100, $150 in my master accounts, and then all right, sorry, those are the evals, but and then the masters, yeah, there we go. Yeah, I just trade in the middle. Honestly, none of these trades are very memorable. I don't think I had any like serious fights or drawdowns. Just bottom tick, quick scalp, easy breezy, and then kind of the same thing with the evals. Ended up green across the board. I think it was $800 total. It wasn't huge. 800 by four accounts. It's only $200 a count. But I think it was like $100 each master account, and then like 300 or something on the evals. I did give back a little bit on the evals, but I also took the trades, so there's that. Coming up on open here pretty quick. I'm definitely not ready. Guess what? We're not ready. I haven't looked at the news, haven't done anything productive, and we got about 2 minutes here, so let's do this. Okay, so for today's economic activities, looked like at 5:30, 8:30, we had initial jobless claims. Surprise, surprise, that came exactly in line. Surprise, surprise, surprise. And then in about 30 minutes, we have existing home sales. And that's the only 3-star thing. There's some like natural gas and KC Fed Index, 4-week, 8-week, and 7-year note auctions this afternoon. Atlanta Fed Now this afternoon. So it looks like that existing home sales is the only memorable event at the beginning. Oh, I was gonna also say or mention, if you guys end up using BLUENOX, which is the prop firm I'm using at the moment, would you let me know? Just shoot me a DM or something. And this is I don't know, silly, but there's a lot of like traffic that goes to my BLUENOX or uses my BLUENOX stuff, but not a lot of conversions, to be honest. And so I'm just curious if it's what your guys' thoughts are. Is it the website? Is it are you signing up but not using my code. You know, I don't know. It doesn't cost anything, and you know, it gives a little kickback, and I appreciate it. So definitely appreciate it if you use my code. Kind of helps supplement the dry spells, which we're still in, but we're so close. Look at this, guys. We got 2 masters. We're gonna get him to pay out. We got full drawdowns. I probably just jinxed the shit out of myself, but yeah, let's turn this on. I'm gonna switch over to the evals. Just if I take a trade here, we do have that news in 30 minutes. You know, that will be a long dry spell, I guess. And we're kind of already in that overnight liquidity. We got a big pull down here. Wouldn't be surprised if we get back into that. And what else is relevant here? We got an opening range of about 280 points. Zero is on the move. And just going to give it a couple minutes, few minutes. We're already in this, you know, I don't trade that upper quarter, so I'm just gonna wait. It's okay. Pretty decent uptrend. You know, it's probably a on dips kind of day, at least for now. You know, we don't know what it's gonna do. You know, we don't guess. Nice and slow, nice and slow. And if anybody just joined us, another day in paradise. We're just doing the thing, right? And of course, feel free to say hi. Not chasing here. Kind of expecting a dump back into this liquidity zone, but so far just a little bit of chop out of the gate. Hi, boys. Hi, buddy. What you doing, bud? All right, quickly getting to let's go. Man, that CERO is just going. And so I guess at this point we're just going to wait for that news. You know, I'm just waiting. We're not trading the top. So how about you guys? Anything interesting out there? You guys want to talk your strategy? I'm always curious what everybody else does. We're just range expansion higher. Check some other headlines while we're at it. So 21 minutes for the home sales numbers. Just peeking at zero hedge here. Like a pretty big missile strike on Kyiv. Nintendo Switch 2 frenzy selling out across U.S. retailers. Yeah, the realtors are selling that Nintendo Switch like crazy. Um, yeah, I'm not even seeing any headlines that are interesting. Here we go, right? Just more expansion, more expansion. A lot of people buy that open range breakout strategy. I just cannot do it. I cannot buy the breakouts. I think we're kind of done here though. Totally chased it. Totally chased it. Fucker. Come on. Don't do that. Son of a bitch. Alright. Might have screwed that one up. And that's why we don't trade the top. Okay, come on, you fucker. Just nice little pullback. Nice pullback. That's all we need. Nice little pullback. Alright, well, we made some mistakes here. Nice big pullback. Come on. Come on. We are a long way away from our average. Yeah, we fucked that up. Come on. $1,000. $1,000. Okay, well, shit. $1,500. You know, at this point, I'm just gonna fucking wait it out. Stupid choices. Stupid choices. 1,300, 1,200, 1,300, 1,200. If I even get a chance to break even, I'm out. I'm out. Look at that, it's not even on the screen anymore. Come on. Big wash, big wash. So, I don't know, guys. Do we take the modest loss of $1,000? It just doesn't feel good. Definitely a tight spot, baby. Tight spot. And this is why the rule is what it is. We're a long fucking way away. Alright, well, we gotta make some decisions here. Alright, $1,000 loss in the evals. Or do we wait it out? $100 of real money. Not up a ton in those. But she's certainly not coming home. Fuck. Alright, well. Okay, she's gonna burn these accounts. We're gonna burn these accounts. There they go. Well, tough start, tough start. That's a big number. Down $5 grand. Alright, well, evals are dead. And we just totally violated all of our rules there. So, good job, PropFirmTrader. Just enough to take me out, and then the wash, right? And then the wash. Hi, Frankie. It just keeps going. Just keeps going. Alright, well, that's frustrating. I was kind of in the mood to trade. Just enough to take me out. So pretty massive sell at BLUENOX right now, 15 bucks on the accounts. Use that code PFT1. probably gonna grab several of these accounts. I didn't even know that they were on like super sale. Okay, so that's going to reset here in a couple of minutes. Beautiful, beautiful trade, buddy. Like, seriously, fucking killing it. Okay, let's see. All right, I'll be right back while that processes. One of those accounts just showed up. nose is so cold. So cold, buddy. Oh, I think I know what happened. All right, well, good morning. Okay, let's see if we can reset this stuff. All right, hold on, guys. I'm gonna do a little restart here. Hello?
Hello.
Hi, baby girl.
Hey.
How was that? Sorry guys, it's taking a little bit longer than I wanted it to. kind of just a wow on that move. Super entertaining, super entertaining. I get it. I get it. So, we need to do one more thing. One more thing, guys. One more. And then all of that damage will just be gone. It'll just be gone. And like it never even happened. Look at that. Look at that. Alright, here we go. We're back. And we're back. Look at that. Nothing even happened, right? We certainly didn't just smoke 2 accounts. Certainly not. There's no way we would just blow 2 accounts right out of the gate. Didn't happen. Don't know what you guys are talking about. Pretty good move though. Pretty good move. Gotta admit it. Hi, buddy. Alright, so like I was saying, I didn't know that BLUENOX had 90% off, but they do. 15 bucks on those accounts. Use that code. This creator may earn a small commission, blah, blah, blah. It is true. There is a small commission. I think it's like $1 if you use my code. And if you do use my code, let me know, because like I was saying, a lot of clicks, not much conversion for BLUENOX, and you know, Apex, nothing. I think it's because I'm not actively using Apex, so. Oh, and you know, no views. So there's that. So kind of silly. I don't even know if my camera's working. Just a black box. That's all I can see is a black box. Not even the weird lines. Oh, bro, that's so stupid. So did we get the housing numbers? Let's look. Existing home sales less than expected. Oh wow, that's quite a bit less than expected, honestly. Oh, excuse me. So, I don't know guys, sorry, I'm not amazingly entertaining. I did talk a lot today though, that's a little unusual. Alright, looks like we finally got a top in there. Oh, we gotta set up our copy trader because we certainly didn't smoke 2 accounts this morning. Are you hungry, buddy? You hungry? Alright, let's go get you some breakfast. You so hungry, huh? All right, gonna have to like work. I guess I got another 10 minutes, but it's incredibly unlikely that I will take any trades up here. All right, we already smoked a couple of counts. I mean, no, we didn't. That didn't happen. No way. Never, ever happened. So, yeah, I don't know. Just gonna hang out for a minute, I guess. If you're just swinging by, feel free to say hi. You missed the super exciting smoke that account time. Smoked 2 accounts right out of the gates. Great job. Good thing is BLUENOX has 90% off right now. So I actually got cheaper accounts by smoking those 2. That is one hell of a way to look at it. Good job. Good job. And I don't know. I have to find better music. This Charlie Brown stuff is literally like keeping me up at night. But I don't know. I have about another 10 minutes or so. You know, I kind of wish would have followed the don't trade the top quarter, but you know, I didn't. I just dove in there and let it rip. Oh, it happens. I didn't hurt our master accounts. Smoked a couple of those evals. Not a huge deal, to be honest. Okay, so yeah, kind of sucks. Feeling good, feeling in the mood to trade, but it's not gonna happen, I guess. Certainly not trading the masters up here. We're gonna get those paid out. It's gonna be amazing. And yeah. All right, guys, I guess, I don't know, 5 more minutes and then we'll kind of call it a day. Let's see here. See what this idiot's up to. Yeah, I don't know, guys. I think I'm just wasting everyone's time. I'm gonna just shut it down. Um, yeah, if I get some trades in later today, then we'll either do a recap or something. But not getting anything here. I hope everybody has a great day. Hope you could do way better than I did. Probably have to reflect on that. Why did I do that? But such is life. Such is life. All right, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully, nice and green. If when, I shouldn't say if, but when we get this pull back to the middle, probably get a couple bounces and I'll get in there with the master accounts. But for now it's just not going to happen. So, all right, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for coming by.